The 2026 BMW X7 emerges as the brand's ultimate expression of luxury, size, and advanced engineering, designed to appeal to families and individuals who want the comfort of a luxury sedan with the commanding presence of a full-size SUV. As BMW's flagship SUV, the X7 carries forward its reputation for blending performance and refinement with cutting-edge technology, offering a driving experience that is both indulgent and dynamic. With the 2026 model, BMW enhances its formula with a sharper design, more efficient powertrains, and an even greater focus on digital connectivity and interior comfort, ensuring the X7 remains a strong competitor in the highly competitive luxury SUV segment. Visually, the 2026 BMW X7 maintains the bold styling cues introduced in recent years, including the prominent kidney grille and sleek split headlight design that has become a signature look for BMW's larger vehicles. Subtle refinements to the body lines and lighting elements give the SUV a more modern and upscale appearance, striking a balance between elegance and aggression. The large proportions are unmistakable, yet the design team has worked to ensure the vehicle maintains a sense of athleticism despite its size. Alloy wheel options, new paint finishes, and high-end trim choices add to the sense of personalization and exclusivity that buyers expect at this level. Inside, the 2026 X7 elevates the concept of luxury travel with a cabin that blends technology and craftsmanship seamlessly. Premium materials such as high-grade leather, open-pore wood, and metallic accents create a sophisticated environment, while customizable ambient lighting adds a futuristic flair. Seating for 6 or 7 passengers, depending on configuration, ensures ample space for families or those who value passenger comfort on long journeys. The latest iDrive system, displayed on a curved widescreen digital display, offers advanced connectivity, intuitive controls, and seamless integration with smartphones and cloud-based services. Rear passengers are not overlooked, with entertainment screens, climate controls, and available executive-style seating providing a first-class experience. Performance has always been a defining factor for BMW, and the X7 does not compromise despite its size and luxury focus. The 2026 lineup is expected to include a range of powertrains, from refined 6-cylinder engines to powerful V8 options, each equipped with mild hybrid technology to improve efficiency and reduce emissions. An electrified variant is also likely to join the range, reflecting BMW's commitment to sustainability and its long-term strategy of electrification across the lineup. The xDrive all-wheel drive system, paired with adaptive suspension and advanced chassis control, ensures that the X7 delivers confident handling whether on highways, winding roads, or challenging terrain. Despite its bulk, the SUV remains surprisingly agile, living up to BMW's reputation for sporty driving dynamics. Technology extends beyond infotainment and powertrains, with the 2026 BMW X7 offering a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. Systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic parking, and an enhanced head-up display make driving safer and more convenient. A semi-autonomous driving mode is available for specific conditions, further showcasing BMW's progress toward intelligent mobility. These features, combined with a robust structure and advanced safety systems, ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The 2026 BMW X7 is more than just a large luxury SUV. It represents the pinnacle of BMW's design and engineering philosophy. It caters to those who seek versatility, technology, and uncompromised comfort without giving up driving pleasure. Whether transporting a family across town or embarking on a long-distance road trip, the X7 promises an experience defined by sophistication, capability, and innovation. In a market crowded with strong competitors, BMW's flagship SUV stands out by successfully merging the brand's sporty DNA with the grandeur and refinement expected in a top-tier luxury vehicle, making it one of the most compelling choices in its class.